What up, gang, man? So we back, man, with another video, man. So right now on our flatbed trailer, the right side of our flatbed trailer did not have any lights coming on. So when we hit the brake lights, it come on. When you hit the blinker light, it come on. But when it's in park, the lights are not it's not illuminating, if you want to say. So we getting that fixed right now before we hit the road. But before he hit the road, you know what I'm saying?
You already know.
before we hit the road, man. So going to Midland, Texas, man, dropping this load out, $1,300 load, and you know what I'm saying, we gonna keep running it up from now, man. So as y'all see, man, it's another hot day in Texas and Houston, man, so burning up. So y'all see, man, getting it fixed right now. These lights right here, man. So this light, and then of course the brake light back here. When the truck was in park, they wasn't coming on at all. So I knew it was a wire issue, so that's why I brought it back here. And the good thing is, man, these dudes are awesome, man. So they really everything, this trailer has a warranty and everything like that. So that's the good thing about getting this trailer from where we got it from. We can always take it back when it's a problem. So that's the good thing. So all right, gang, so as y'all see, man, we got the lights back working on both sides. So basically what had happened was, man, y'all see Deja right here. Tell her what's up.
What's up, JD gang?
I see him. So basically what happened was, the wiring underneath the trailer was it had corrosion in it. It was pretty bad, so we just had to replace the wires that was underneath the flatbed trailer itself. So we got all that. Dudes say it should be good. We shouldn't have no issues with wiring or the lights or anything like that. Also, I replaced one of the brake lights as well, because one of them was like, it still lights up, but it was like a few of those little, yeah, I can't really explain it, but a few of those little dots or whatever, they wasn't all the way, it wasn't full. It wasn't a full lighting. So got that fixed as well, man. So now the flatbed is on the way to pick up the load going to Midland, Texas, and we're already looking for him a load coming out of there, you know what I'm saying, right now. So as y'all see right there, the lights and everything is on now. So but yeah. So I guess I'm gonna keep y'all posted, man, once he load up, and I'll show y'all the load that's going to Midland, Texas. What happened? Well, I'll show y'all the load that's going to Midland, Texas, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. Like I told y'all, we back, man. You know what I'm saying? We back. All right, y'all.
All right, guys. So we just pulled up to the pickup destination. They are checking in now. This is like a government building because they got like real security out here. I don't think he's gonna be able to go in, but once he gets loaded up, I'll show y'all the load.
But it's security.
What's the problem?
That security going so slow. I done went all the way around him, came back around before he looked around, and then I'm already on the other side. I could have been gone. Could have been raw.
You is dumb.
Took his gun, everything.
Boy, he probably ain't even have a gun.
Yeah, he really does. Yeah, it's good. So we was just waiting, man. Hopefully everything should be good. He's checking in right now. So actually it's real strict. I see they got the Homeland Security little post over there, so government property for sure. So
just waiting on him to get loaded, and I guess we'll be back.
We'll be back.
You gotta get out the way.
Yeah, I gotta get out of here. Yeah. All right, y'all. So while we waiting, man, on the driver to come back out with the load, we see some people in the comments that's basically saying it's kind of like a misconception. I guess y'all thinking we basically telling y'all, hey, do away with your box truck and go get you a flatbed trailer or a dually truck, you know, the combination or whatever. We're not telling y'all to do that. We basically telling y'all, like, hey, while you got your flatbed going, if you plan on scaling your company, we recommend you scaling it with a flatbed. You know, keep your box truck running. Like I told y'all in the other video, if you want to get another box truck, that's fine. Just think about getting a flatbed though, because it's so easier to book good loads with the flatbed.
Right now.
So yeah, right now I think it's really period.
Yeah, and too though, the reason for us making this channel is to take y'all on our journey with us. So we just because we doing it doesn't mean that you have to go and do it. We really just document it. We really just taking y'all on a journey with us so y'all can see our trial and errors.
My bad. My bad. I don't think y'all saw that, but my bad.
So y'all can see our trial and errors as we expand our company.
Yeah, man. So that's it. We're not telling y'all to go trade in your box truck, because I know a lot of people was influenced by us, you know, with the box trucks, with the rentals, or going to finance a truck, purchasing a truck. So we're not telling y'all just because the fuel is high and everything. Like right now, I mean, you need to go trade in those trucks or take your rental trucks back and just go jump head first into the flatbed. Now we just saying, if you plan on scaling your company, think about the flatbed. Think about getting a flatbed, because like I'm telling y'all, these loads are so easy. It's so easy to get $3 a mile, $4 a mile with this flatbed, and we're only running a 32-foot trailer for our flatbed. So
able to make money regional.
Right. And that's it right there. So we don't even have to run that flatbed. Of course we can't, because that flatbed only got 2 seats, but it is comfortable on the end. It's way comfortable than a box truck. But we can only run that truck regional and still make $5,000 to $7,000 just like we would in a box truck running at OTR. You know, so if you one of those guys that want to drive your truck, but you just don't want to go out, and you know fuel is just killing everything right now, a flatbed is perfect right now. Because like I said, in Texas, I don't know how it is just everywhere else yet. I just know right now in Texas, man, the flatbeds are damn good, because you just don't have to go far with the flatbed to make a lot of money. You don't have to go far. So, you know, that's something I definitely recommend y'all looking into, especially your area, just to see how the flatbed rates are. You know what I'm saying? Because down, like I say, down south, I mean, it's popping. It's popping. Vice versa, the box trucks down south is not popping. You know, don't get me wrong. If you got dedicated routes and, you know, stuff like that, you can still make it work. Like I say, we still dispatch about 10 trucks. So
and with Amazon too, though.
And with Amazon. So you still got your box truck. We still run our box truck with Amazon. You can still eat with Amazon. Like I say, we one load a night. You can still eat with Amazon and bring in close to $5,000 a week, you know, just with Amazon, coming home every night. So we're not trying to discourage y'all or anything like that, because I know we are influencers. So there's some people that actually look at our videos and like, damn, man, I just got my box truck, now they on the flatbeds. Damn, so, you know, so I don't ever want y'all to think we doing that, man. Box trucks, you could still make plenty money with the box trucks, and we live in witnesses, because we are doing it with our carriers that we dispatch. We doing it with Amazon. So you know what I'm saying? So we just telling y'all, when y'all want to scale y'all company, think about getting the flatbed, because trust me, think about getting the flatbed. Yes sir. So right now, like I said, we just still waiting on him to come out so I can show y'all the load. But I just wanted to talk to y'all about that, man, before, you know, I just want to talk to y'all about that, clear that up, man. You got anything to say?
Nope, you hit everything right on the head.
I hit everything on the head. You sure?
Yes, sir.
Ain't nothing else. So if y'all got questions, man, drop it in the comments, man. If y'all got questions about the flatbed, y'all got questions about the box truck.
Website?
I did, man. Oh yeah, we got a website now, y'all. So oh yeah, too, man. Look, we still got June 18th coming up for the seminar too. I'm gonna put the website in the bio so y'all can still come out. June 18th, man. Tickets on sale right now. So purchase y'all tickets, man. Come meet us. Come turn up. We definitely want to meet y'all. Get footage with y'all. Take photos. I want to post it on my Instagram. Post it on the YouTube. I want to do all that, man. So make sure y'all come out June 18th, man. It's in Houston, Texas. If you're trying to learn, you know, just some insights, maybe just you just want to learn how to master Amazon, how to just post your truck correctly. We showing all of that. Maybe you just watching our videos and you never got started yet with your trucking company. Come on out. We're going to show you exactly how to start your trucking company. If you just want to dispatch, you want to work from home and make $1,500 to $3,000 a week just dispatching, we're going to show you how to do that as well. So come on out, man. We trust me, we want to see y'all. You know, we love interacting with our fans and our supporters and our subscribers, man. So definitely come out, bro. Anything else?
I think that was everything.
That's it. All right, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. Once this truck come out, I'm gonna record that and we're gonna be out.
Bro, come on, man. What's good? YouTube game was good.
Hey, so we just loaded up, man. How
Yeah.
was it? That was a
Man.
government building too.
Yeah, they took forever, dog. Then like an hour and a half, man. But we on here now.
It's crazy because I'm thinking they actually loading you up some big stuff. I'm like, bro, this dude come out with this little thing. I'm like, bro, what is this?
And they was gonna break, man. They wasn't worried about us, dog.
Yeah. Hey, it's heavy though, huh? I think it's like about 8,500, maybe. 8,000. Yeah. I still want to take it through a weigh station though. I just want to see what the weight is on it, just in case. Yeah. Yeah. As y'all see, man, Deja took down my hair, man. So y'all, I'm looking real crazy right now. You know what I'm saying? But this the low right now. Like I say, this one paying $1,300 going to Midland, and then we already looking for something out there in Midland, man. So we looked at El Paso too. El Paso pretty good, man, with the flatbeds as well too. El Paso is not good for box trucks, but it look good for flatbeds. So we about to go ahead and get this going, man. So I just want to show y'all this load, man, this flatbed load. So I see the scat pack back there looking real dusty right there. But all right, y'all. So we gonna end this video. Probably not here. I'm gonna end it when I get back in the car with Deja. All right, y'all, man. So we back in the car, man. I'm gonna let Deja do all the talking, man, because I know y'all don't want to look at me. I look like Lion King and shit. So she gonna finish it out for y'all, man.
Alright, y'all, so we just the flatbed just got loaded. He is on his way to Midland, Texas from Houston, Texas. He got appointment tomorrow for 7 a.m. and then strict appointment tomorrow for 7 a.m. and then of course we're gonna get him out of there, probably bringing him back this way to Houston, or he may go to Dallas somewhere.
Yeah, but
it's regional, so he literally staying in Houston, Louisiana,
just
regional.
all around Texas, Oklahoma sometimes, so we really want to bring them back though too, because of the tarping. One of the tarps that we did have on that load that y'all saw, it was a cheaper tarp, and that motherfucker towed. I'm gonna put a picture on here so y'all can see it, but it towed, man. So we ordered a $300 to $400 tarp, and this one here is the one that everybody uses. So I should have been invested in that one.
Yeah, we knew we was gonna have to get a better tarp anyway. We were just trying to see how long that we could last with that cheaper tarp. And what, 2 loads?
That was one. No, that was 2 loads.
2 loads, and it was
2 loads. Yeah, right. So that tarp come in.
Invest in your company.
Invest, dog. Invest. Get the right stuff, so you ain't got to worry about it no more. Because that's really costing us. Because when he's going out here in Midland, they may have a good ass tarp load that we cannot pick up because we went cheap. You know what I'm saying? We started out going cheap. So, but yeah, man. So like I said, the tarp come in Thursday, and I said I was gonna let you finish, bro. There you go.
All right, y'all. So basically, I really just want to say that's why we haven't been posting like that, because as y'all can see, everything is really hands off now.
But then too, nah. All right, go ahead. I'll just play. All right, go ahead.
Everything is really hands off now. We got drivers that can handle their own weight, so we don't really have to be out here on the road. But we are gonna bring y'all as much content as possible. Thanks. We do have our event June 18th. Make sure y'all come out and see us in Houston, Texas, from 12 to 4 p.m. We giving y'all the game back, so make sure y'all come and see us. That's it.
We out.
JD Gang, we out.
We out. Let's do our handshake.
Well, we don't.
We ain't got no handshake, but all right, y'all, we out, man. JD Gang for life, man. Drop a comment, make sure y'all subscribe, man. Make sure y'all like, man. We at 6,800. We trying to get to 7,000, man. So make sure y'all turn us up, please, man. Share our videos, man. Let people know, man. We our favorite, box truckers out here, man. Right. yeah, man. Shout out to all the other box truck couples, though, man, because we love watching y'all channels as well, man. Right. So salute, man.